Hey guys, this is Mikkel. Today we'll be taking a look at the first boot of the S7 Edge, so stay tuned for that. But first, if you haven't checked it out yet, click here to see the unboxing of the S7 Edge that I did a couple of days back. But let's get into the first boot now. Okay, so I have the SIM card installed, and let's see if there is any juice on it out of the box and how long that the initial startup will take. Oh, it appears to be some power in it by default. Sorry for all the focusing problems. And I actually think I will be going with English even though I'm Danish, just because I don't have access to Now on Tab and some more advanced voice search features and such, and that's quite nice. So I'll be using English, and you can see that it has almost 60% of battery right out of the box. Of course my internet is named the Batcave. And basically all you do is just click agree to get it to work. What I do notice is that when you look at the screen directly, I think you can see it on the camera, the edges are actually quite dark, and that's because of the varying angle and more thick glass in between. But I didn't notice that in the store actually. Yeah, this is way off. Yeah, I think I'll set up the fingerprint, so we can see how easy it is to do that. I think I'll go with the pin. This is actually quite fast. I've set up a lot of iPhones because I worked as a technician at an electronics store, and this works way better. It's a lot faster, and it's not as finicky as the iPhone was. So yeah, that is a thumbs up for Samsung there. And I think we'll just do a clean one instead. What I notice is that when I'm trying to hit the letters on the keyboard out on the side here, it actually is a bit harder. You have to press a bit harder for it to register it because of the curved edges. I think you'll get used to it, I imagine. Now if I just could remember my password. But I do have to admit though that my OnePlus One do feel better in the hand than this phone. That curved back from the OnePlus, yeah, you can't beat that. Even though that these curves are quite nice, you just can't beat that from the on the OnePlus. So yeah, a shame, but yeah, again I think I'll be able to get used to it. It looks stunning though. Okay, so it wants us to swipe in from the edge, so let's do that. Oh, and here we see the app edge, which gives us access to all such things. And then we can swipe to do other things. I won't be doing that. Yeah, so that was the setup of the Samsung Galaxy S7. So yeah, thank you for checking out my video. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more content like it. You can also leave a comment below saying what you would like me to make a video about next, or what you just want to discuss the video. Have a nice day.